Welcome to Learn2Swim, your gateway to water confidence and safety. At Learn2Swim, we're passionate about teaching you the art of swimming. No matter your age or skill level, we believe everyone can learn to swim. Our mission is to make swimming accessible to all, ensuring you and your loved ones can enjoy the water safely. Water safety is paramount, especially in today's world. Our experienced instructors are here to guide you every step of the way, building your skills and boosting your confidence. We offer a nurturing and supportive environment where learning is fun. You'll master essential techniques from freestyle to backstroke under the guidance of our dedicated team. Whether you're a beginner, an adult looking to conquer your fears, or a parent seeking the best for your child, we're here for you. Safety is our priority. Our instructors are trained not only in teaching, but also in water safety, ensuring you're in good hands. Swimming is not just a life skill. It's an art, a sport, and a source of joy. We celebrate every milestone you achieve. Join our warm and welcoming community, where friendships are made and confidence soars. So, are you ready to dive in? Welcome to Learn2Swim, where water is not just a place to stay afloat, but a world to explore. Let's begin this incredible journey together.